Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a water-damaged iPhone. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Remove your iPhone from the water and turn it off. Do not turn it on until it is completely dry. Step 2. Remove the case, the SIM card, and any accessories. Step 3. Wipe the phone with a dry cloth and swab out the ports. Step 4. Check the water damage indicator inside the SIM card tray. If it is red, your iPhone has water damage. Step 5. Put your iPhone in a dry place for at least 48 hours. You can use Reese, silica gel, or cat litter to help absorb the moisture. Step 6. After 48 hours, try to turn on your iPhone. If it works, congratulations. If not, you may need to take it to a repair service. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.